The first mysterious crop circles of the year have appeared in a rape field in Wiltshire. Experts believe this summer will be the most popular crop watching season ever, as interest in the phenomenon grows. Susie Grant reports.
Circles like these have mystified the experts since 1976. All sorts of scientific theories have been put forward, from whirlwinds or vortexes to the not-so-scientific hoax. This year's first sighting of a crop circle found in a field of rape near Stonehenge brings the number seen in Britain to well over 1,000, but the experts are still none the wiser.
Just as big a mystery today as it ever was, yes, that's the frustrating thing about it. You can't seem to get a toehold or a foothold into anything at all. It's just a total mystery. Do you know there's even people planning crop circle holidays coming from other countries? They really are.
The cereologists, that's the people who study corn circles to you and me, say this could be the start of the most spectacular season so far. But whether they discover who or what's behind these circles remains to be seen. Susie Grant, TVAM News near Stonehenge in Wiltshire.